What's up everybody, Android here. So, I don't know what Huawei is up to, like more recently, they unveiled the Huawei Mate X4 Pro without any advertisement or any kind of invitation. They just went ahead and unveiled it to the public. Even still, the smartphone haven't released on this stage. However, it seems due to the massive success of the Huawei Mate X4 Pro, Huawei is trying to continue the same practice because today, Huawei unveiled the Huawei Mate X4 Pro Plus and the brand new foldable phone called the Huawei Mate X5. Yes, you heard it right though. Huawei unveiled the Pioneer edition of the Huawei Mate X5 smartphone. They just skipped the Huawei Mate X4 and did a direct jump from the Mate X3, which was unveiled in March this year. Anyway, this is our first look at the design of the brand new Huawei Mate X5 in all its glory. Guys, just look at that, how beautiful this smartphone looks. And I would say the design is quite identical to the Huawei Mate X3, but it now includes a new purple color variant. Well, this brand new foldable phone is using the new Kirin 9000S chipset, which possibly supports 5G connectivity. On the flip side, the phone also has two-way BIDO satellite SMS. Its counterpart in the Mate 60 series brings satellite calling. The Huawei Mate X5 packs two high silicon anode battery packs, combining a capacity of 5000 mAh, which is insane. The Huawei Mate X5 features a triple rear camera system, including a 50 megapixel super sensing camera with f1.8 aperture, the secondary 13 megapixel ultra wide angle camera with f2.2 aperture, and the third one is a 12 megapixel periscope telephoto camera with f3.4 aperture. Well, the Huawei Mate X5 unveiled with the Harmony operating system 4.0 out of the box, and the phone does boast an air gesture feature, a new always-on display, and new lock screen features. I will upload a complete video regarding its top 5 features, including the things which are different from the last year's Mate X3. So make sure to hit the subscribe button to get notified for the next video. So as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.